Right, looking like another great day ahead. Happy 4th of July, by the way, if you live here in the States. Everyone else, happy day to you as well. So, with that being said, figured I'd whip out the camera and share with you what I'm going to be doing today. Today, we're going to maintain an AC duct line. So, let's get right into it. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I'm up in the attic. This is where my unit is. Here is my little plug here where I can clean it. So when I first moved into this house, what I did was down here more, I spliced this pipe here and I put an adapter so it can be a quick disconnect. So when I do snake it, I snake it from here down, it goes in the backyard. I also can snake it from here to this corner, and then back over here I can snake going here to here, and of course snake it from here to the unit itself. This is your overflow valve. If this tube is backed up with scum, this lever is a little bobber, see here, it rises up and it gives a signal to your unit to shut off. So no water in there, and that's what you want. Alright, I went ahead and I disconnected the pipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to snake this pipe here going down, get all that debris out of there. As you can see, there's debris in there. So a lot of it got pushed down. So now I'm going to snake it from the other end back out this way. As you can see, I'm in the backyard. Now I'm going to just take out this fitting here. Here we go. That's out. And let's snake it. Oh yeah, there it is. Now it's not to come out. See that? It's like rubber and fungus. So it's good to do this about 2 times a year. Alright, put it back on. Alright, now we're going back up there and put the chemical through. Alright. Back in the nice hot attic. Here's the stuff that I'm going to be using. It recommends leave it in for 20 minutes. So let's do it. It's that simple, guys. Shout out to the Purple Squad. That's it. Wait 20 minutes. And just turn your AC back on. Turn it back on. Click. And yep, and we have air. Simple as that. Thanks for coming in. Checking out this quick how-to video. Always maintain your unit. Cheers.